Hey there, future coders. Welcome back to Learning Fun Zone. I'm Harshada, and today we are going to do something spooky yet super cool. As Halloween is coming, we are going to do coding with our very own AI powered costume using Tynker Labs. This isn't your ordinary costume party. No, we are bringing artificial intelligence, that is AI, into the mix. You are going to code costumes that track your face as you move. How cool is that, isn't it? Imagine creating virtual costumes that follow your eyes, nose, and even your cheeks. Sounds fun, right? Let's dive in. So, what are we going to do exactly today? We are going to be using AI or face detection, and with the help of that we can map virtual costume pieces to different parts of your face, like glasses that follow your eyes or hats that stick to your forehead. So just quickly check this. So this is a costume party project. Let me quickly show you how it will look like. Okay, so here I am with my face. Isn't it spooky? So when I'm moving my face jawline, it is opening the costume space as well. Wow, that's spooky, right? Let's try it once again. So happy Halloween, everyone. Are you excited to learn this one? Okay, so let's get started with our costume party. So I will add the link of this project in the description of this, and you can get started with this project. So here we have the sample of tynker.com. From here we can download this. Okay, so here I have designed one more game. Amazing, right? Okay, don't worry, I am Harshada, I'm not a vampire. So let's get started. So first let us just understand what is Tynker. The Tynker is an amazing platform that is perfect for kids who want to start learning coding. So it's just like Scratch. You can try to explore this platform. And in today's costume party project, we are combining the magic of costumes, and we are going to use the power of AI face tracking. So don't worry if you haven't used face detection before. The power of AI face detection is very simple in Tynker blocks, which is super easy. Okay, so let's get started. I will add the link of this project in the description. Okay, so this is costume party. You can see a tutorial as well over here. You can follow that, and I will do this along with you. So you can try play a sample project here, just now that I showed you, or you can close the tutorial, watch the tutorial, and then get started. Okay, so here we'll start with the face detection. So face detection blocks are there over here. So these quickly I will introduce you. So this is similar to Scratch blocks, but we will have the event handlers, that is on start, when actor is clicked, when I receive, all these when events. These are the control, these are the conditions, loops that we can use here, operators, variables. Now let's go below. Here you will have animation, looks, sensing, sound, and these are AR, and this is the AI pose. So you can use all this. So right now we want to turn our video on, right? So let's add that. So let us go to the AR, and here we have the turn video on. Okay, so let's turn our video on and let's watch. Okay, so I can see myself in the video. Perfect. And it is detecting my face. All right, so what is the next step? Now that you have verified the camera is working, you have to apply some face paint or makeup, right? So let us go to set face effect to solid with color and opacity. To add this set face effect, let's go to this block. So this is the block set face effect. Okay, so set face effect to solid and color with this and opacity 0.5. So you can, to draw your own texture, you can open the drop down and select the custom entry at the end and choose edit. Okay, so you can select whatever you want here. Solid, fractal. So right now I'm using, if you use fractal, what happens? Let's see. So here you can see it is showing fractal, and if you want solid, it will select solid. Okay. Okay. Now I just want some music also to be added on in this project. So what do? I'll just again go to events on start, and let us go to control, and let me add a forever loop here. And now, just like in Scratch, you want to add some music, right? So let's go and check in the sound. You have a play sound button somewhere. So in sound, you have a play sound button. Let me add that inside the forever loop now. Now you go and click on the add sound button. So it will go to the media library. So here you have different media available related to space, to seasons, food. Now let's select costume related. Okay, select to fantasy. So here fantasy, you will get different spooky themes, right? So which is related to our theme today. So let's select something spooky. Let's start. Okay, this looks good. So we have the horror music ready. Now let's go to the next step. Now we want to draw a costume for our face. So you can select whatever accessories you would like you can add costumes like hats, funny noses, or anything that you want. So how do you do that? So this is an add actor button. You can browse the media library for more options and draw your own as well. So right now I'll click on the add actor, and then let me go to the media library. So here you will have different characters. So you can build a character, select an asset from that. Right now I will go to the costume. So whichever costume you want, you can take clown, mouth, and gorilla. So mummy head. So all the Halloween related masks are available here. Skull mask. My God, this is so scary. So which do you like right now? Tell me which do you want? This one. Okay. Mummy head. That's really very scary. Let's select the vampire. Okay. So this is a vampire head. We also need a vampire mouth. So again, I will go to the library and select the vampire mouth. So these two are our two actors. So we need to write the code for both of these. So let's write for the vampire head now. So let's go as usual on events on start. So what do we want on start? we want wherever our head is moving, we want the vampire head to move, right? So let's go to control, add a forever loop, and now we will select motion. So we want it to move, right? So let's go to motion and a go to block. So we want it to go to the forehead. So let's go to AI pose. So let's go, and this is the face left cheek, right? We will select from here as forehead. Okay, so let's go to the forehead and let's try. Okay, we are able to. Okay, so here it is in the motion, set angle to. Okay, so here we will add a rotation. So let's go to AI pose again, and here we have this rotation block. So let's try this. So you can see wherever I'm moving my face, it is detecting that and it is adding the mask. Perfect. Now what do we want? We want the same code to be there on the vampire mouth as well. I just want to change a little bit, but let's copy this code. Right click and copy. Let's go to the vampire mouth, right click and paste. Okay. Now what do we want? We want this to be in the lower lip. So let's see if we have such option. Okay, this is the middle middle lower lip. Perfect. So this is the vampire mouth. Okay, now let's try. We have added the middle lower lip and we have added the forehead. Now let's see. So here we have got the perfect mask ready for Halloween, and you can try it. You can use these blocks, simple blocks, and with the help of that you can make a vampire head and mouth, or you can add different pieces, you can add different actors from the library. So try different props for the Halloween and use your eyes, nose and face. Just instead of this go to, you need to change the go to according to your mask. That's it. Let's finally try our project. Scary, isn't it? So you can show it to your friends and do share it with me, the project that you have done. Who says AI can't be spooky and fun? You can try to code your own awesome costume party like this, and make sure to save this project and give this project a try. Don't forget, take screenshots of your work and share your costumes, and even you can use AI to make it interactive. So I'll stop this, otherwise it will scare you. If you are loving these coding tutorials, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more awesome coding adventures on Learning Fun Zone. Comment below with your own costume ideas, and I would love to see what you have created next. So until next time, keep coding, keep learning, and have a spooky good time.